Toys. Number 3, and the race is on. Kissable Toys. Rising up Scarlet Bell down on the inside night or day. Captivate AJ Special. Twisting Metal little by little. Back to the front runner. It's now the favorite Captivate followed by AJ Special by the road. Scarlet Bell racing from the outside. Rising up Kissable Toys by the road night or day. Starship King, Testament little by little at the center, and yes, Commando is running at the tail of the field and rounding the far turn. Captivate by about 2 lengths. Scarlet Bell in second, and little by little moving up and closing in on the outside as Testament as they race the bottom corner. Captivate still the little Testament. Scarlet Bell little by little, night or day down on the inside, and with the last 350 meters more to run, Captivate still the leader, and on the outside is Testament. Kissable Toys on the further outside. Captivate, Kissable Toys, Testament, and nearing the finish line, it's Captivate, Kissable Toys, Testament, little by little, night or day.